Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace the keyboard in an HP Probook 4440s. I had ordered a keyboard online hoping to just replace the key and the piece underneath, but the keyboard I got, the key piece is different. So therefore I'm going to have to take the top off and replace the keyboard. It was only $17 for the keyboard, so it's not a big deal. I just thought I'd have the extra, and I will still have an extra keyboard in case other keys come off. But alright, so here's the laptop. We'll get started. First thing you want to do is take the battery out. And then to get the bottom off, you press these again and it snaps the bottom out and you just slide it off. Alright, once you got the battery and the bottom out, it's easy go from there. You just need a small Phillips screwdriver. And there's two spots. You'll see a little picture of a keyboard. One here and one here. Once you get the screws out, flip it back over. Sometimes you don't need a screwdriver, but sometimes you can take a small standard and go in here and just barely push down and pry it out. There we go. Flips out. There's one ribbon cable. And there's the old keyboard. Here's the new one. No missing keys. Slide the cable in. Push the black cable down. Make sure it's flush in there. There are tabs along the bottom. You can see them here. And when you push that in, you get those in first and then just push down. And it'll kind of snap in a little bit, but you'll see it's kind of pushed up a little bit because of the screws. Close the lid. Flip it over. Insert the screws. Now sometimes the keyboard may not line up perfect. You can take your Phillips head screwdriver and stick it in the holes and kind of whip just to line it up. You don't want to over tighten. And while I've got this down, I'll just show you real quick. Here's your memory. Like this one still has another slot, could add some more memory in there. And here's your hard drive. There's 4 screws that hold that in. So if you need to replace that, just slide it and pop it out. Wireless card is here. Okay. Now we'll put the bottom back on. And you just lay it on there and slide it in. You heard it snap. Replace the battery back. Flip it over. Make sure the keyboard's in good. And you're done. Okay, that was a really simple process. As you saw in the video, take the battery out, remove the bottom 2 screws, take the old keyboard off, put the new keyboard on, replace the 2 screws, replace the bottom of the battery, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, comment below, and thanks for watching.